Hi guys, picked this one up in a charity shop last week. Cost me £2. Do-it-yourself solar robot, sold by the Tiger stores, I think. Did find it on here somewhere. I think that's what the T stands for, actually. Anyway, we've had some sunny days. We've had lots of rain, but we've had some sunny days. So I thought I might see if I could put it together. It's one of those ones, initially I thought it was just a single design, but it will make 3 different designs according to the instructions. Well, according to the pictures too. So you've got the robot, a tank, and a scorpion. Well, I'm pretty sure I've done something very similar. Well, it's been last year now, but within the last 12 months. But I'm sure that was a 6-in-1, not 3-in-1. Looks very familiar. Anyway, we'll have a look. Oh, that was a struggle. It's like about 2 hours that's taken. Sunlight coming. I will check back through my builds. I've done one very, very similar. Very similar. I got the feeling this was cheap plastic. I think the other one I did was marginally better. But that was a struggle. Those instructions, they're just too small. I talk about fine print, that's tiny. I struggle to read that. And then the other ones, looks like it's just moving bits around, so he moves in different ways. The scorpion means you actually use those wheels as wheels and take the legs off. And the tank is similar. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.